Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sana and my roll number is 74. Subject is research method in education. Topic writing thesis format. Assigned by Dr. Amjad Ali Arai. Format of the thesis. First of all, title page. Your department will have a standard title page from you are required. Number two, abstract. Briefly state the research problem. Second, methodology. Third, key result. And fourth, conclusion. Table of content, list of figure, list of table, nomenclature. Types of research. There are three types of research method on the basis of data: quantitative data, qualitative data, and mixed research. Thesis. What is thesis? The definition of thesis is the term thesis is also used to refer to the journal claim of an essay or similar work. A thesis is a document submitted in support of candidate for an academic degree or professional qualification, presenting the author research and finding, research and systematic way of discovering new knowledge. Educational research is a careful, systematic investigation into any aspects of education. What is qualitative research? It is based on characteristic grades such as interview, field notes, video, images, documents, text, written words, phrases, and symbols. Quantitative research leads with numbers, speed, time, temperature, height, area, volume, etc. Mixed research, both quantitative and qualitative, is applied in mixed research. Classification of research on the basis of purpose. Exploratory research to gather preliminary information that will be define problems and suggest hypotheses, generate ideas about phenomena. Explanatory research to explain how and why a phenomena operate as it does. Descriptive research to describe characteristic of a popular or phenomenon being studied. It is with possible facts. Historical research is depend on history who might not be familiar with the specific literature what is out there. You have found a gap or allowance in the literature. So, Matt has been think research utilize a certain theoretical perspective or methodological design. Research question a considered formulation of your specific research question. If you have been graduate social theory, think about the process went through the hypothetical research question assignment review some of the feedback you receive. Example of thesis statement: a bad George Washington sat many important presidents as president. This is a fact, not a position. Good. The president that Washington set as American first president greatly benefit the American political system. This is a clear position that can be supported or opposed. Weak. The Revolutionary War brought about change in American society. This is technically a position, but it is vague and not really debatable. Strong. The Revolutionary War ushered is a slew of wide-ranging and permanent social changes in American society. This is a clear, strong, and database thesis. Methodology. What is your methodological approach? How will you get access? How many cases will you consider? Describe how the cases be selected random etc. What will be the duration time frame of your research? How will be a record your observation? How will you code the data? Will you code the data? Will you start the research? Will already research categories deductive approach or will you look the customs and emergent from the data inductive approach? Ground the will you analysis to the coding of qualitative, quantitative, or both. Conclusion. Conclusion is a summary of thesis including the conclusion we have drawn from our research concluding this thesis is the bibliography. Thanks.